Hi guys.
What's going on, guys? Navy and Antonio back, man, with another video for you guys. Um,
This time we're going to be talking about business.
right, business. This is a business. This is a business video today. You know, we told you guys that we were going to be coming back, back and forth, sporadically with the business, and also, the things that the Lord lays on our hearts to give you guys. But I guess really, it's really an announcement type video, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna make an announcement in the video. At the same time, we also just want to talk to you guys a little bit about what we got going on, because we've been getting as you all know, we had recently pulled back from doing wholesale.
Because we had to restructure the wholesale thing.
Right, so we had to restructure the wholesale business as well as just our whole business in general, because we were trying to expand at the same time, restructure our packages so that we can give you guys a better deal, at the same time also being able to sustain the business as we're moving forward and growing. All right, so as you all know, if you've been following us, if you're not following us on Instagram, you need to head over to our Instagram and follow us at Seymore Family, right?
Well, no, it's going to be at Seymore Creations.
Right.
On the Seymore Creations page, there will be a campsite, and that will lead you to all of our social media platforms.
Right. So, and the reason why I say that is because we post some stuff on Instagram that, if you're not following us, and you won't see it, like as far as the things that we're doing, as far as expanding our business, like the face, like the soap, showing the soap. As you all know, we just launched the soap, so that's up on the website right now. So if you want to support that, that'd be great.
We have packages right now, like natural soap packages.
Right.
Yeah.
So also we are in the works of doing a whole lot of things, guys. Right now we got this is one of our prototypes of the leave-in conditioner. This is one of our leave-in conditioners that's in a prototype stage right now. That we're
testing.
We will soon be launching
and perfecting.
And we also have a few other things that we are. This one is actually finished. The face oil, the cleansing oil.
Yeah, the cleansing oil.
This is the beard oil.
Well, the facial oil, really, I'm going to do a facial oil, and I'm also going to do a cleansing oil. Well, the facial oil is already tested. I made a couple of facial oils, did some research about facial oils, and I've already finished, putting it together, and it will be launching soon. Right,
so that's going to be coming really. That's going to be our next product, actually, that's going to be launching. So, and then of course we got the beard products coming out for the brothers too.
So we'll just talk a little bit more about, each product as we, maybe not today, but
we're not going to go too much in depth about everything right now, because the point of this video is to come out to let you guys know that we are going to launch the wholesale oils back again, man, on Monday.
Yeah.
So Monday, the wholesale oils are going to be back up on our website, but we're only going to be launching 2 kits right now, guys. We're going to switch it up, and we're going to only bring it in 2 kits. And we're going to include everything in that one package. So shipping, taxes, everything is going to be included in the one pack. So let me grab my little notes down here so that I can kind of break this stuff down for you guys, so that you can understand what you're getting, and also understand why the oils, man, how the oils can really expand and really grow if you really are serious about it. All right. So we're going to launch 2 kits. The first kit is going to be $125. And with the 125, you're going to get 50 oils. And then we're going to launch the second kit, which is going to be $225. In the 225 kit, you're going to get 100 oils. Those are going to be the only kits that we're going to offer right now until we grow and get bigger and bigger and bigger. And then we're going to start offering like the larger size bottles, 16 ounces, 8 ounces, so on and so forth. Now, the reason why we're doing it like this, guys, is because what we're trying to do, we're targeting the people that are trying to come into the business that don't really have a lot of money to invest. Because once you start getting up into the 8 ounces, the 1 pound oil, stuff like that, you start looking at now investing $1,500, $2,000 in order for you to really be able to have a sustainable business. So what we did, we put these kits together so that anybody can come in and be able to actually build a business, and not, have to scrape and scrounge and all of that kind of stuff. When we first started, like we said, we started with $30, and that was a real hard thing. We could not really get going until we was able to invest like $1,200. You know what I'm saying? Really,
yeah.
Because we came in at the higher, at those 4 ounce bottles and 6 ounce and 8 ounce bottles. And guys, listen, a lot of people don't have that. We realize that. We understand that. And it was a blessing for us to be able to do that. You know what I mean? So we want to be able to give people an opportunity to come out that want to come out. of the rat race. You know what I'm saying? And really begin to take care of yourself and really begin to build a business for yourself.
Or just have something to make some extra income.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean? A phone bill, diapers, wipes, a meal.
Right, there it is. You know what I mean? So that's what these kits are really for. So everything comes with the kit. Once you get your kit, guys, you don't have to worry about anything else. We got the bottles. We put the labels on the bottles. If you once you get your kit, if you really want to, as you begin to expand your business, you won't have to worry about, you can relabel it. You know what I'm saying? Or we can send it to you without labels, and you can put your own label on it so that you can build your brand. But I want to talk to you a little bit about how this breaks down so that you know what you're getting. You invest in $125 into the kit, right? You get 50 oils. The oils on average sell for $5 in most places. $5. You can sell them for more, but in most places they sell for $5. Now at that price, you're gonna gross profit. Your gross profits on that is gonna be $250 off of selling them at $5 a piece. You're gonna gross in $250.
That's your total.
That's your total gross profits. Now your net profit on that is gonna be $125. So basically, you are doubling your money.
So you invest the $125, you make the $125 back.
Plus an additional $125. Right. So you're basically doubling your money. You know what I'm saying? So you really can't go wrong with that, man. You invest $125, you make your $125 back plus an additional $125. And the same goes for the $225 kit. If you invest $225, you're gonna gross $500 and you're gonna net $250. So you double your money either way. So it really depends on how you want to start and where you want to start. If you can come in at the $225, I certainly recommend doing that. With the $225 kit, you're going to get 100 oils. All right. So your oil, I don't have a fragrance oil. No, I don't have a fragrance oil right next to me. That's why I was going to show you the oils, but you can see the oil on our website.
It's one over there.
Wait, you see one right close?
Right in the thing. Right
okay. Yeah. Let me grab one. Pardon me, guys. I should have had that ready, but this is what the oil is going to come like. All right. It comes already pre-labeled, as you can see, and pre-bottled. All right. So if you want this without labels, you can get it without labels. Just let us know. And it's just when you order, just let us know that you have your own labels, and we'll send it to you without labels, so you can put your own labels on it. But yeah, that's really what it is, guys. So we just wanted to reestablish that with you guys and just say, listen, we appreciate all of those of you who are supporting. You know what I mean? And we would encourage more of you to support. You know what I'm saying? So that we can support each other and that we can build and that we can grow together. We also understand
that, it's hard times.
Right.
And, people are, how should I say it? Sometimes you're waiting to support something because you don't have it right now. So we just want to encourage those of you that you can't do it right now to, don't give up hope, and if you have an idea, it might not even be like oils that you want to do. You have an idea that you want to start a business doing something. I don't know, bake cakes, bake cookies,
right.
Make something. Don't put it off. Do what you can with what you have right now.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Don't get discouraged, because you might not be able to buy from us right now, or even start your own business. Stay in faith, and believe God that you are going to be able to get it done, and that He's going to supply what you need to get that business going. Right. And once again, don't say, I'm waiting till I get this and I'm waiting till I get that. Right. Step out on faith and try. Even if you bake 12 cookies and sell 5, you know what I mean? Like start somewhere, because like every day that you wait, time is ticking away. You know what I'm saying? So start today. And with that, I got to go get the baby.
All right, hold on. This is where I end the video right here. So,
okay.
All right, guys. So, I think that's really going to do it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. And
sorry, I could cut you. Also, too, I don't know what's been going on, too. Sometimes with the comments, we can't see them. We know it's there, but we can't see them, because I remember the other day somebody asked a question. I got distracted, because of the baby. Kids came back. Comment wasn't there anymore, so forgive us if we don't respond to your comments. Right. We want to, but for some reason sometimes they're not showing up.
Right. We don't see them. We see that people have commented, but the comments are not there. I don't
they're
know what's
not
going on
there,
with that.
right?
So,
Or one, it just happened to me. It happened the other day that I saw a comment, got distracted, came back, and the comment just disappeared. So
right.
I don't really
So
know
I
what's
mean, you
going
know,
on. So
we make our number available. So
yeah,
if your comment really, or if you have a question that's really important to be answered, you know, feel free to give us a call,
a
man,
text,
a text message or something
email,
like that.
even
Email.
on Instagram, you can
Yeah.
contact us on Instagram as well. You
Right.
know,
So don't think that we're ignoring you guys. We really appreciate it, man. We just reached 800 subscribers. That's really big. I never thought, honestly, that we would even be at 800. We at 800. That's kind of crazy. But, you know, we're going to keep growing from there and
we
keep going from
appreciate
there.
every
We
single one of
appreciate
you
you, man.
guys.
So, yeah, man, that's it, man. This is Navy and Antonio, man, and we out.
All right, guys. Till next time.
Peace.